Hi, I'm Keremy Stanner, and today I'll show you how to add a video call to your Google Calendars. Now first, you want to go to Google Calendars, and then we're going to select date to have this. So we're going to choose Friday the 10th. Then we're going to do it from 3 to 4 p.m. Then we could title it Class Meeting as the event, and then right here where you can add guests. So let me add one right quick. It automatically added the guests. Then right here at the bottom, you have this link right here, and then it'll have this option right here where you can add Google Meets to the meeting. So then you'll go right here to join Google Meets, and this is where you will utilize Google Meets to have the conference or the meeting at that specific date and time.